Okay, now it's starting to rain. It's still got thunder. Let's see. Good thing I have patio covers on my chairs down there. I don't know if you can hear it. It's finally starting to rain. I hope it rains a really, really good rain. But it's still thundering and lightning. And yeah, it really crashed down. The dogs got really scared. Let's see. I don't know if you can see the rain. I definitely hear it. More lightning. Anyways, it's finally raining. Let's hope it rains pretty good. Could use a nice all-night rain to cool everything down.